Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by assessing the hole size and surrounding steel condition. Measure material thickness. Stainless is often 5 to 6 mm in appliances. Check for rust, deformation, and thin spots that need reinforcement. Clean the area with acetone, then grind 5 mm around the hole to bare metal. Remove paint, scale, and oils so welds will bond properly. Gather safety gear, welding helmet, gloves, and respirator rated for metal fumes. Use a patch when the hole exceeds 10 mm or metal is thinned beyond repair. Cut a stainless patch 2 to 3 mm larger than the hole perimeter for good overlap. Select 309L filler or MIG wire matched to stainless grade for weld compatibility. Clamp the patch in place and tack weld every 15 to 20 mm to prevent warping. Use short weld runs and allow cooling pauses to reduce heat distortion during the full weld passes. Grind weld smooth using a 40 to 80 grit flap disc, then finish with 120 grit. Polish the area along the grain for a consistent stainless appearance and reduced corrosion sites. Clean the surface thoroughly and passivate with a nitric acid solution or citric equivalent to restore corrosion resistance. Seal exposed edges with a stainless-rated seam sealer and inspect for leaks and structural integrity. Test by applying a small load.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.